Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Actually, evening. So I am about to do some of these cards, put a stamp there. I kind of like it. It's relatively simple, and it's out of the scope. Let me try another way a little bit. This way should be easy to see it. So I kind of like it because one more time. Okay, now we are good. I like it because it's relatively simple. And if only black and white, it's missing some color, so I put a background. I could put some splash on it, but I didn't do it. Maybe I forgot, maybe for some other reason. And it creates a different kind of feel, right? I think the old ones, I have some splash like this. Yeah, everything has its own unique character. We do not need to make everything the same, right? So I am about to make these cards. Sorry to waste your time. And at the same time, I want to show you some other things. So these are the bookmarks I made. These are original paintings. They are all original paintings. And they are on my Etsy shop. And what else I want to say? I love it. This must be something like 10 years ago, or long time ago I did this. How did I get this idea? I did not even remember like this. And so I made these cards. These are Q-tips. Made these cards, this, and oh, this one. Last night I spent the whole night, made 9 of them, so that the winner will get it. The winner get it all. Okay, that's about it. So I was about to do it, and then I saw my new pyjama. I want to do a loser unboxing and just blah 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 about it. So this is my loser unboxing. I have a profound love for loser unboxing. A lot of friends already know the meaning of loser unboxing. So if you are new, loser means I lose my money. I use my money to buy it. It's not sponsored. It's something I love passionately that I spend my money. Yesterday I did a video just thinking this is the clothes. It's very comfortable. I bought this one, and this one is a little bit large. So I want to have a smaller size. I went to Costco 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 10 times, many, many times. I never made a decision because I can afford $14.97, around $15 to buy this 2-piece of jacket, a 2-piece of sleepwear. But I do not have the luxury of having too many things. I think in our life, the decision is, the hard thing is not to have something, but it's not to have it. The real richness, nothing to do with rich or not, we just have too many things. When you are 60 years old and for 40 years you wear the same size of clothes, of course there are many clothes accumulated, right? And nowadays the clothes quality even if you spend $5 to buy something, it lasts forever. I have my dress, some of my dress, 30 years and still works well. So it's very hard to add something. So I cannot buy it. And yesterday I was hesitating, and today I finally made the decision. YOLO. You live only once. You only live once. You only live once. Although I cannot afford to have too many things, but there is something even more important that I cannot afford. I cannot afford to have too many things, but there are other things also I cannot afford. That is not to enjoy my life. That is to sacrifice what I want to fit into less things. No, not worth it. If I need to buy one more clothes, buy it. There will be more trash in this world. Well, there will be trash in this world. There will be unwanted things in this world. But make sure I live one life. I live this life. I want it. I want it enough. I want it more than the fear of having too many things. Then I get it. So today I went to Costco and I made the decision to break my restriction. It's not fun to have too much restriction, too rigid restriction. It's okay to buy one more thing. Just relax. Just relax. The world will not become an over-polluted place because you buy one more clothes. Yeah, you get the idea. Let's try it. This one is, it looks so soft and so comfortable. Oh, sorry, I cut her leg. I didn't mean it. Didn't mean it. So let's take a look at it. So maybe tomorrow I will do an outfit of the day in my backyard to show you these clothes. Oh, look at it. It's so, you can see it, can you? It's so soft. It's like sleeping in goo goo. It's like sleeping in goo goo. Oh, so comfortable. We should enjoy our life and buy one more set of clothes. Price tag is not important. I am comfortable with $14. Another person is comfortable with 14,000. It's all relative. This is precious, the most precious for me, and that is important. So I am going to enjoy it and do my cards. You only live once. Enjoy this moment. N'est-ce pas?